So this is week 15, assignment 2. I need you to review all of the things that we have been learning, and you are going to be creating a file with the following edits on it. So you're going to go to this website, you just click on it, and I need you to select from what is the Electoral College all the way down to general election. And then you're going to copy it. You're going to make sure you put it into the Word document so you can paste it. Okay, and then you need to change. You have to make it narrow margins. You have to add page numbers. You have to put in the word count. You have to translate it to any language that starts with a G or a W, and then submit the file. Okay, so the only thing I want to show you is that I want you to go up here to the very top, and you can hit enter, and then you can put word count, and you can put the number that the word count is. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. If not, I will see you guys soon.